Wait, I started the video. Wait, oh my gosh, okay. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Hey guys, it's Viv from Vicky Viv, and today we're going to be doing, well, testing your guys' slime that you sent me. I'm so excited because you guys sent me so much slime. It's incredible. Some are store-bought, some are homemade. I'm really excited because I have, like, all the slime. Like, one's on this side, one's on this side. I cannot even, like, I can halfway step over here. So let's just get started. Okay, wait. Before we get started, we're going to do a like, subscribe, and notification bell challenge. You have to press all those buttons with your thumb. In 5 seconds. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You do it. If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Now let's actually get started. Okay, that was not a transition, but that's okay. You probably know this already, but I love to make slime. Like, there's activator right next to you, and then literally right next to you, there's a gallon of glue, which is pretty cool. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I have baby lotion. I have body lotion down here. I have shaving cream right here. I have some glue over here. I have 3 bottles of shaving cream, actually. I just went to the Dollar Tree. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first slime is a store-bought slime. It's Play-Doh Slime Super Cloud from a fan. Oh my gosh. Wait, that's really good. Okay, I'm gonna have to make this in like 2 videos, so. Oh my gosh. I love slime. This is not sticky, and this is butter slime. By the way, it's not made out of actual butter, but it spreads like butter. Ready? Can never do this, right? Just stay. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Okay, this is amazing. I love this. 10 out of 10. This is so good. Oh my gosh, no! Don't fall. Okay. So yeah, that's the first slime. That's really good. Okay, next slime. Let's hope none of these are sticky, by the way. That's why I have the activator and stuff like that. This is, a mini one. Play-Doh Slime Crackle. I'm doing like all the store-bought slimes first. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Wait, hear this, wait. Hold on, we do this in crackle slimes because I've made a crackle slime before, but it's like all gooey and ooey, so it's like wet. Oh my gosh, they fall out, the little beads. They fall out. Ow! Sorry, one was in my toenail. Ready? Oh, amazing noise. Okay, this one's really good too. Okay. I love crackle slimes and like butter slime. I have made a crackle slime, but I like threw it away because it was like runny. So, by the way, we also have another crackle slime, but it's orange, so I'm guessing it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Oh, I like the orange one better. It's really clear and a little sticky, but still stretchy. It's really nice. I love slime. Oh my gosh, okay. My mom just ordered me tons more activator because I need more activator. I have so much glue. So, yeah, this one's good too. There's like 3 more? Yeah. This one is Play-Doh slime. I'm so excited. Oh, wait. That's like a jiggly slime, though. That's not a basic slime. It doesn't poke. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. Oh my Guys. Okay, I'm gonna put it on. Okay, I need to pause the video. I need an activator. Okay, now I've activated the slime. It's stretchy, makes a really weird noise, and it cannot make a slime swirl. It's like when it gets on your hands, you can't take it off. It just like peels off. It's cool. This is pretty good slime if you activate it. That is so weird. Wait, hear this. Comment down below what do you think that is. Crackling noises. It's like, what the heck? Okay, well, that's obviously good/bad slime because it was not activated. Oh my gosh, but it's still on my hands. Gross. Okay, now we're gonna try another one. I'm guessing this is still jiggly. Play-Doh slime super stretch. So I'm guessing it's the same. Oh no, this is perfect. Oh, I think it's solid. No, it's not. It's like, not stick. Oh my gosh, that's really stretchy. Like when you stretch it, it sort of goes back to place. Wait, watch. And it sort of goes back to place, but it's really nice. It's like a little solid when you squish it, but when you stretch it, it automatically stretches. It's really cool. This is not like the other one. This is really nice. Okay, last slime. Or I don't really think this is a slime or not. But it's Play-Doh foam. It's not really a slime, but they sent it to me. Whoa! Okay, this is definitely not a slime. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's definitely not a slime. That's just like, oh my gosh, no, don't buy this. Oh, no. Look at that. Okay, I need a slime. I'll take the butter slime. I need to clear this out. This is, no. This is not good. No. No, this is not good. No. That's not right. You're just making a mess. No. Oh my gosh. No, that's not how you do it. Oh! Sorry, I just get really competitive when like people do something wrong. We did do something wrong. You're just paying to clean a mess. Literally. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's terrible. Okay. Okay. That's all the store-bought slimes. And then in the next video, well, 2 more videos, I'm going to show you the mini slimes and then the big slimes. So